Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I have here a couple of incoming Happy Mail that I'd received from a couple of my crafty friends on Instagram. I did receive these Happy Mail a couple of weeks ago, or maybe 3 weeks ago. I just haven't had a chance to open them up. Just been busy with work, family life, and also trying to get some projects together for my videos and my channel and doing tutorials. Also my Etsy store is keeping me busy, so I haven't had a chance to open these till today. I don't like to just rip them open and have a quick look. I really like to take my time and see what they've done and what they've made, as a lot of us make these Happy Mail and it takes time, and I like to appreciate what they've done and all the details that they've created for me. So I'm going to share with you and open up my first one here first. This one here is from JELENE, and she's from Singapore. I've been swapping with her for a little while now, so I thought that this time I want to open this one with you guys. And I also received another surprise Happy Mail from one of my Australian crafty friends, also on Instagram, and her name is Stacey. Hi Stacey. I already opened hers package already, but I haven't really gone through the Flipbook as yet, so I'm going to share with you guys the Flipbook that she's made for me. But I thought we'll go ahead and we'll open up Jalene's package first. And it's always exciting when we receive Happy Mail in the mail, especially if they're a surprise one and you haven't expected one. But with Jelene, we do swap, probably not as regularly as we used to because I've just been so busy. But I sent mine out to her probably about a couple of months ago, or maybe a little bit longer. And so let's have a look and see what she's sent to me. Oh, these are lovely. These are lovely embellishments that I believe she would have made herself. She makes some cute embellishments. Oh, these are really pretty. I'm going to use these in my projects, and she's added a dolly as her bag topper. Thank you so much, Jelene. That's really pretty. And this will be another packaging. I'm just going to rip it open. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is really pretty. It's like a little embroidery satin coin purse. I'm going to try and see if I can open this up quickly and show you. Oh, this is really nice. It's a lovely blue colour. Oh, wow. Isn't that really pretty? Oh, thank you so much. This is really, really sweet. It's a beautiful colour. Thank you so much, Jelene. I really, really love this as well. Our Happy Mail is just a exciting way to receive something in the mail. It really just can brighten up your day, and to be able to receive something that's been handmade is always really appreciative. You can see it does take a lot of time to think of what you want to make, and you always want to send something that you would also like to receive, and making sure that it's a really a nice flip book or handmade embellishments. This is really nice. This is a die, like a die shaped girl, and then you assemble it up, and it's really pretty. And she's made a little pocket that she's torn in the front to add some more goodies. And these are some teas. Yeah, we don't have these here in Australia, so I'm looking forward to trying these out. And I do love tea. I love trying out all different teas. Oh, these are nice. These are like postcards. It's different. See, the things that you can receive from your overseas pen pals, sometimes it's just great. Like, we don't have these here in Australia. I've never seen these, so that's really great to receive something. And I think she's made it with a top load. Oh, this is clever. All right, so she's made it with a front pocket, and she's torn that out to make that a another pocket to add some stuff, and then there's a top pocket up here, and she's made, oh, these are just some nice beautiful ephemeras that she's packaged for me. Very nice. And they've got some, I won't open them up, but They have like a really vintage look to it with some glitter on there. Very pretty. And this is a card, I think. Yeah, I think they're like journaling cards. I will use these. These are really lovely. Nice colours. Thank you so much. This is just some more here. Very nice. And this is her letter, which I will read off camera. And this is her pocket. Thank you so much. This is really pretty. I love the papers as well that you use. And this is a clever way to make a front pocket as well. So there's another idea. And so I'll put that to the side, and I want to go and have a look at Stacey's flip book that she made. Again, I'm going to put the links down below for their Instagram. And Stacey also had gifted me some die cuts. Oh, sorry. Yeah, they are like die cuts and some papers and some doilies in here as well. And I'm looking forward to using these die cuts. They're just lovely pop colours that are great to use as embellishments or in your project. So she's gifted me some of these. Thank you for that, Stacey. I love them very much. And these are some of the doilies that are great also to use in your projects, and also some of these 6x6 papers. Again, fun colours for me to use. So that's the goodies that she's gifted. And also she's sent me an Amy Tangerine. I think it's like a embroidery stitched something where it's like a stencil kit. So I'll have to have another look at this and see what I can do with that. But thank you very much for that, Stacey. And this is the flip book that I've been wanting to have a look at. She does a lovely colouring with her stamps, and I think these are stamped, and then she's either used a laser cutting machine or a die. I tried colouring and blending colours, and it just doesn't work for me. I still need a bit of practice, but this is really pretty. It's a mermaid. She's got my name using a tab die. This is really nice, and this is like a little flip book album, so I'm just going to fix that up. This is really pretty, and this is the first page. How nice does that look? Look at the colours that she's used. I'm not very good at blending colours, but I'll practice when I get a chance. And this is a cute little banner. And this is a cute little envelope, which she's used some washi to keep that together. And there's some goodies in there. Now these are like some cut aparts. Look how cute. These are adorable. These are great to use as embellishments or to add into your projects. And that's another lovely way to add your goodies by placing an envelope. It's really pretty, and I'll flip through the next page. These unicorns are so cute. There's a nice banner on here that she stuck on. It's nice and colourful. And this is the next page, and it's like a vellum pocket with more goodies for me. These are nice cute little treat bags with lovely papers, and I think these are the same papers that she's gifted to me in her little goodie paper. Or is it this one here? So give me some ideas on what I can use. These are cute, really, really pretty, and they just fit nicely in there. And look at these vibrant blue tones that she's used for this cute little mermaid. And I'm still trying to work out my blending with the skin tones, and it just doesn't seem to work, but I will get there eventually. But Stacey does lovely colour blending on her stamps. And this is just an embellished page that she's embellished. And that's the month and the year that she's made the flip book for me. And here is another pocket, or another envelope. Just open that up. She's got like some glue there. And oh, she's got giving me some more goodies. We all love crafting goodies in our flip books, and it's always a nice surprise to see what's inside the pockets. These are cute little tags. some tickets and some little ephemeras. Oh, these are really cute. Oh, here's a little ones that I can try out myself. I'm going to give this a try, Stacey, and I'm going to give it another go. Cute little mermaids. Oh, that's so cute. And that just closes back up. So pretty. And that's the back, and she's just stamped her IG, Stacey_mail. So if you wanted to go and have a look and follow her, that's her Instagram account. This is really pretty. Thank you so much, ladies, for your lovely incoming Happy Mail, and I am looking forward to making my little outgoing Happy Mail for you both, and I will also post them on here when they're ready for me to send out. And I thought I'd share this with you, and I will see you in my next video for some more 6x6 projects that I've got to share with you, and tutorials, and a couple more project shares as well. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye.